Mixing with the birdies on the high wind, flying like a little sparrow does. The freshest breeze and balmy seas hit us like a dream, soaring like the cherry trees above. Have no beginning.
Hey, don't you want some coffee?
Huh?
I got your coffee for you, right here for you.
Sorry, man, I'm not much of a coffee.
I remember when I used to be just like you, but look at me now.
How did you even make this?
Haven't you ever heard of ground coffee?
Do you mean coffee grounds?
Tomato, tomato.
Oh, it smells like death.
Yeah, that's why I drink it. To remind me of the struggle, the battle between life and or death. And death. And sometimes when I'm drinking coffee in the winter, I'll throw a couple ice cubes in it, you know, to get my body acclimated to the weather and like fit in with nature or whatever. Dang it, Kramer! Not yet! Jeez! Well, anyways, that's why you gotta drink coffee, because it tells you you're alive, and it tells you that there's death, and you're not that.
Huh. You know, I never thought coffee could mean so many things. Here it goes. I mean, it's different. I'll give it that. It's different. Oh, it's bad different. This is bad different. Oh! Why did you make this? Like, how? Like, did you scoop this from the lake? I mean, oh gosh, like, oh, I mean, you had to have. You had to have scooped this from. It's like, I think there's algae in there. Did you put algae in this? Photosynthesis does not belong in coffee. Oh. 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 It's like you dropped out of high school and worked at a movie theater for like 2 months. And you dropped out of the work. They gave it to another guy who doesn't even have all of his marbles in play. He's playing marbles and they're not there. They're not even there. This is worse than my trip to Cambodia. Why? There weren't even any women in Cambodia. How could you even drink this? How could you make something so awful?
Hey! Hey! Can you hurry up, please?
Are you guys in line for him?
No. We're here for the coffee.
Do you know how hard it is to find free-range, locally sourced, organic, vegan coffee?
And here we go.
We live in a society that just takes and takes and takes and never gives.
You're the reason I don't drink coffee.
Hey, don't walk away. Coffee needs to be heard. Stop oppressing coffee beans!
Here it is.
Thank you.